So sabi dito sa problem, water is discharged from the hose with a speed of 40 feet per second. So determine the two possible angle theta the fireman can hold the hose so that the water strikes the building at B. Take S as 20 feet. So 20 feet daw yung S natin. Ito. So for Y naman tayo. So delta Y is equal to VI sine theta multiplied by time minus 0.5 multiplied by the G, then the time squared. So meron tayong delta Y. So 8 minus 4 which is 4. So sulat na natin yun as our delta Y. So 4 is equal to VI which is 40 sine of theta multiply by the time, unknown pa yung time natin, then multiply by 0.5 multiply by 32.2 is 16.1, then the t squared. So meron na tayong equation. So 0 is equal to 4 minus 40 sine of theta multiply by the time minus 16.1 t squared. So for x direction naman, so given tayo ng S, so for x direction, so delta x natin is 20 kasi 0 naman yung initial position niya. So meron tayong 20 feet is equal to VI cosine. VI natin is given which is 40. So 40 cosine of theta multiplied by the time. So isolate natin yung time. So meron na yung divide natin by 40 cosine of theta. So cancel to. So our time is equal to 0.5 all over cosine of theta. So substitute natin to dito sa equation na to. So meron tayong 0 is equal to negative 4 pala to. Then plus to, sorry. Negative 4. Negative 4 plus 40 sine of theta multiplied by the 0.5 all over the cosine of theta. Then minus 16.1 multiplied by 0.5 squared all over cosine squared theta. So meron tayong 0 is equal to negative 4 plus 20 tangent of theta sine over cosine is equals to tangent theta. Then meron tayong 16.1 multiplied by 0.5 squared. Meron tayong 4.025 minus 4.025. Then 1 over cosine is secant. So pwede nating palitan ng secant squared of theta. Then yung secant squared of theta natin is equal to 1 plus tangent theta. So pwede rin ulit natin siya palitan ng ganun. So negative 4 20 tangent of theta minus 4.025 multiplied by 1 plus tangent squared theta. So by simplifying, meron tayong 0 is equal to 8, negative 8.025 plus 20 tangent of theta minus 4.025 tangent squared of theta. So, by using quadratic equation, so meron tayong 8, so negative 4.025, then 20, then meron tayong negative 8.025. Meron tayong tangent of theta is equal to 4.53. Then, the second one is tangent is equal to 0.44. So, kunin natin yung inverse tangent ng pareho. So, meron tayong the inverse tangent so cancel to. So theta natin is equal to 77.55. Then that's the other one is tangent of negative 1 tangent theta is equal to tangent inverse tangent 0.44. So cancel to. So theta is equal to 23.75. So ito yung dalawang sagot natin for this problem. That's it, guys.